Harbour Charge, Caravan, Golf Mike Oscar Whiskey, taxiing out for Nanaimo.
Golf Mike Oscar Whiskey, Harbour Tower, Squawk 3020.
3020, Mike Oscar Whiskey, thanks.
Mike Oscar Whiskey 12802, altimeter 3025.
And Mike Oscar Whiskey is ready flat.
Mike Oscar Whiskey, caution just off your left side a little bit behind you by the ball there is a cabin cruiser, and take off northbound northwest your script.
And we've got the boat as well as one on front as well.
I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to the lounge at the Vancouver Harbour Flight Centre in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Welcome aboard, aviation enthusiasts. I'd like to introduce myself. Hi, I'm Corey, your seaplane spotting extraordinaire. I'm thrilled to take you on this exciting seaplane spotting adventure where I offer you a front row seat with a first class ticket. The adventure takes place at the stunning aerodrome with the airport code Charlie Yankee Hotel Charlie. This airport is the busiest water aerodrome of its kind in all of Canada. Welcome aboard. In this seaplane spotting adventure, we will witness two magnificent Cessna seaplanes, the first being the Caravan, followed by the exciting Grand Caravan. The just-departed Cessna Caravan was manufactured in the United States in 2011 and was purchased new by Seair Seaplanes. She's a beauty. I have to confess, when I see this Cessna Grand Caravan being loaded up, that means it is going to take off, and that just revs me up. This particular seaplane helped my YouTube journey blow up, and I am forever grateful to this magnificent machine. Can you sense my excitement? I'm sorry about the lack of radio conversation between the air traffic controllers and the pilot, but I think the picture tells the story. The Hello Ferry we see in front of us is a relatively new service. It is a passenger ferry service that transports passengers from Vancouver Harbour to Nanaimo on Vancouver Island several times a day. Let me tell you a little bit about this turboprop Cessna Grand Caravan with the ident Charlie Golf Hotel Alpha November. She is serial number 208B5458 and was manufactured in 2018. It's pretty new for an airplane. I'm not sure why its livery is in the non-standard colors. This aircraft was initially purchased by Blade Air and is a recent addition to Harbour Air in March of 2022. I just love watching the seaplane rotate. It's a sight to behold, especially from the stunning aerodrome that is Vancouver Harbour. I hope you love it too. The bridge you can see there is the Iron Workers Memorial Bridge at the Second Narrows Crossing. This harbor is also home to North America's busiest cruise ship port, and this year of 2024 is expected to be the busiest year yet. This is an incredibly busy harbor. Love it!
It's the other way around. Like, you mean shit. Like, if you... Yeah.
Oh, okay. But yeah, so I said there's some,
This 106 caution, there's another one there just off the Chevron bar north and south. Just coming, we're on the flight.
Thanks for coming along on this exciting seaplane adventure today. I would be grateful if you would give this video a thumbs up, leave a positive comment, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. There are over 160 long-form videos and shorts in the Planes playlist. My channel is just a small reflection of me and what my monocular vision sees. Have a look around the playlists. I have lots of great content other than just seaplanes. I have a thing for things with wings. Well, truth be known, I love all things mechanical and have a real thing for nature. Heck, I even like to eat. I am grateful for your support.